Being aware of the need for change is a normal aspect of personal development. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. If you're noticing any of the symptoms shown in this video, it can be a sign that you need to make a change in your life. 1. Lack of passion. You no longer have the same zeal for the things you formerly loved or were passionate about, and you now feel unmotivated or uninterested in them. 2. Constant stress and anxiety. You frequently feel overburdened, stressed, or anxious, which negatively impacts your general well-being. 3. Boredom and routine. Your life has settled into a predictable pattern, and it no longer excites you. 4. Negative relationships. Your friendships, family, and sexual relationships are toxic or unsupportive and sap your strength rather than bolster it. 5. Feeling stuck. You feel as though your present situation has confined or stagnated you, leaving little chance for advancement or improvement. 6. Lack of fulfillment. You continue to feel unfulfilled and unsatisfied with your life in spite of your apparent success. 7. Health issues. You may be experiencing a decline in your physical or mental health as a result of stress or discontent in your present circumstances. 8. Ignoring your values. You find yourself surrendering your fundamental principles in order to accommodate your present circumstances. 9. Dreams and aspirations. You have aspirations that you've ignored or put on hold because of fear or other factors. 10. Time is passing quickly. You have the impression that time is flying by because days, weeks, or months seem to blend into one another. 11. Lack of growth. It has been a while since you have advanced personally or professionally. 12. Feeling disconnected. You lack a feeling of purpose and feel cut off from your genuine self. 13. Financial stress. You are unable to live the life you want because of your financial circumstances, which is stressing you out. 14. Feelings of regret or resentment. You harbor regret or resentment over past choices or events. 15. No work-life balance. You have no time for your personal life or self-care because your work-life balance is severely skewed towards work. If you are exhibiting multiple of these symptoms, it might be time to think about changing your way of life. Keep in mind that change may be both difficult and rewarding, but making efforts to live a more meaningful and genuine life can result in higher levels of happiness and contentment. It's critical to evaluate the areas of your life that require improvement and to act proactively to bring about positive change. For help and direction throughout this process, think about speaking with friends, family, or a licensed professional counselor. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.